Hello everyone, unboxing of bread pudding.
Yeah.
By Luz. Okay,
Sorry,
let's see.
I've already untied the ribbon.
Okay,
I'm
so
wearing this because
okay, so do it.
we are getting younger.
All right. Unboxing of Penny Tune.
Yeah, this is some kind of bread that is too heavy. May ano siya, parang cardamom.
Oh, it's like
Diba?
cardamom daw. I don't know what is.
Ewan. Tara.
Oh, unboxing and reviews. Unboxing
Kompleto
muna.
May mga dried fruits siya. O yan. Lemon, raisins. Ano pa bang mga to? May cherries.
Oh, cherries daw.
And this is it. Ayan, yung malalaking raisins. Tapos,
Wow, so
see?
ganun pala siya.
diba? Mabigat po siya kasi may mga dried
Okay, let's see.
fruits.
Close up.
And then, this is it. I'm going to slice it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we are going to slice it. Let's open the tissue because military style. We don't have plates, big plate here.
Wow.
And we don't have to. And then we're going to slice. Ano, ikaw mag-slice or I will do it?
I just get the ham. I just get the bread, okay?
Okay. And Mama is coughing. Okay lang.
Parang ang tigas ba yan?
Tigas. Kasi,
Uy, medyo matigas daw po. Kaya po medyo...
kasi mabigat siya.
Oh, so ganun po pala yun.
Yeah. Iba yung Yan. And you can see the difference.
Wow.
Puno po siya ng fruits,
Okay,
dried
here.
fruits.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yan. Oh, yan.
That's
Oh, okay,
right.
Wow. Nice. So
Guys,
nice.
diba? And then we're going to slice
Oh
some.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Diba?
Ganda.
Ganito lang siya pagkakainin kasi.
Wow, so cute po inside. It's like yummy, yummy.
Okay, pa-islam din siya. And then we're gonna put it in the toaster sana.
Toaster. Wow, ano itong nasa loob?
Parang siya, cheese. Ay,
Oh,
cheese!
cheese. Itao para makita. O, so ganun po siya.
Parang cheese po, cheese
Wow,
siya.
ganda-ganda po.
Yeah.
Parang yummy.
Ay, another style. Right, Mama, you want to eat? Si Mama, hindi na
First
siya
time ko po talaga nakakita ng ganitong bread.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, cheese siya. Special siya.
Very special. Buti nga, hindi
Kaya,
kasi muntikan pang ibigay doon. Sabi po namin, wala
Hindi
kaming hiya.
talaga ako ibibigay.
Wala kaming hiya. Sabi namin, kainin namin. Kaya, kahit na ikwento kami, ay, wakala na sila kasi gusto namin.
Going to give it away because this is the nice bread.
So, yung ano po niyan,
Sarap
pangalan
po,
is
pudding.
pudding bread daw
Bread
po.
pudding.
So, yan.
Naman.
Ganda-ganda. So, iinit po namin and then let's hear your reviews later. Okay, pause.
We're going to cut
So,
into
tulad,
3.
yeah, cut it on 3 because you are 3 here, so it's equal.
Okay.
3. Cut it into 3 parts.
Kaya nga, ayan. Kaya lang, medyo malaki yung nasa gilid because
Cut it into 3. Cut it into 3.
heavy po siya kasi puno siya ng
Cut it into
ng
3,
dried
3,
fruits.
3.
Okay, kasi malaki yan.
So, na-cut it into 3 po siya.
Yes, we cut it into 3.
So, ayun.
And
So,
that's
kasi
it.
tatlo po kami. So,
Mm-mm.
so kung kainin nila, bahala sila.
I'm going to eat lang also.
Okay, so let's give you review later. Ganon ko po siya para makita niya.
Ito para kay na lang.
Ganon ko po siya para makita niyo yung loob. Gusto ko lang po yung loob niya makita niyo kasi ang cute po siya. Oh, wow. Yun. Yun, oh. Yun, oh. Oh,
Yan.
super.
Diba?
Okay, take photo also because it's really cute.
Ayan. Ayan. The
ribbon, tying in the ribbon on the older tree. All right.
Dapat ibigay ni Christmas tree, mga ganun.
Churu.
Ano lang.
Okay, tapos na ako. Wow.
Picturein ko.
So ito po siya, first time makatikim. Namin kulap muna.
It's apple sauce. Apple sauce ba to? Sa bali
Teka dito, ikaw mag-review kasi hindi ko maintindihan ang taste niya.
Well,
Ano
this
daw
is the
taste?
bread pudding, guys. The Christmas bread pudding.
Ano yung taste?
Taste first because it's hot.
Parang, parang yung ano lang.
Ang icing niya?
Mm-mm.
It's like icing naman.
Wala namang kalasa-lasa. Pudding po siya, kaya pala
Ano sa-
mabigat.
Icing!
Tapos may raisins. Yan ko yung nagpasarap.
Icing!
Anya dito po, icing day, hanya cheese.
Ang mga cheese.
Tsaka sa asukar nga condensed milk. It's a prank, gayam.
Frank. Kanya apple sauce.
Mhm.
Icing.
Icing. Na-prank po kami.
Alam nga di kwan. Frosted icing. Hindi ka ready pa nga ito nag-melt.
So ano po siya?
All frosted icing po na nasa loob, nasa gitna ng tinapay. So it's just a sugar.
Yes, it's
Icing sugar.
Sugar and the raisins po yung nagpaano dito.
Yes.
So, pag rating po siya, 1 out of 10, ano sa'yo? 9?
9.
7.
7 for you.
Yeah, 7.
It's sweet. Ikaw?
Pero kainin namin kasi matakaw kami.
9. I said 9 kasi nga.
Yung lang very presentable no. Slice of nga check pa mo.
But the taste is
Ayan po, inuubo yung alagin namin. So, babay na po. And then, thank you.
nice.
Merry Christmas. You enjoy your food too. Bye-bye.
Raisins, man. But the sweetness is